I have kept all the evidence in front of this court. Yes, the next evaluator by profession is a lawyer. He is a very good humorous speaker, but I am sure he will be not applying his humor to the judge. He is the current president of Medi Toastmaster Club, and today he is not going to fight a case here. He is just going to evaluate the speech of Toastmaster Thomas. Toastmaster
Thank you, General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters and guests. The speciality of today's project was, the title was itself Speciality Speeches. The title of the manual is Speciality Speeches, and you were supposed to give an impromptu speech. How to give an impromptu speech. That was the project title. Now, I already explained it. He had prepared 5 topics, and from his experience, the topics which he is familiar with, and I had to choose one, and I gave to him, and he started talking on that. I will evaluate on 2 aspects. One is his speech as such, and second from the point of view of the objectives. The speech as such, how Toastmaster Thomas performs on a stage, and he started with the engaging the audience, and because the topic was brands, and obviously all the people are interested, and he was getting nice answers, and people were all interested and engaged. And then he went on with various topics. He took the approach of the pattern of general topic and subtopic, or general message and sub messages. So one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, he explained how a brand helps you, what is a brand and the positive face of the brand. And for every point he gave examples, and that all examples were about the brands which are daily connected with. So kudos to you, Thomas. You did a wonderful job on that. And now I'll come to the objective purpose. Here, you were supposed to select a topic which you are familiar with. He selected 5 topics, but out of that, 4 topics were surely was related to his experience you are familiar with, like inspiring leader, employee engagement. So I didn't choose that topic purposely because this is the only topic which I felt it is something a little bit different from the normal topics which you are familiar with. So I felt like it was more of an education session when you listed out the points one by one. It never felt it's a prepared impromptu speech, because the approach you took is topic, and then you're giving the positive aspects of the brand. So what I felt, it could have made it more engaging, you could have made it more engaged with the audience if you expressed it in a more casual way, rather than going for the point-wise explanation of brands. Secondly, some of the points which you missed is you should be aware with it. That was the manual says you should be aware with the latest and current events that happens around you. Especially when you look at the brand's point of view, you remember the Volkswagen episode where Volkswagen had a defeat device connected to the machines to cheat. Actually, I call it cheating to bring down the pollution level and cheat the authorities in US, and that's called defeat device. And that was one which we were all surprised and shocked, and the brand value, we felt like all the images Volkswagen had on brand value had collapsed that time. Secondly, the Maggie incident, which also had a very bad effect on our perception about Maggie. I don't agree with the entire episode, that's a different thing, but that is also something like should have brought in and made this entire conversation, impromptu speech more lively, and which would have made the speech itself more impromptu feeling than had an education lesson session like one where you dissected the positive aspects of the brand. I loved your speech, and this was one of the topics which I am more familiar with, and I am sure we'll be having more treatments and treats from you in the future speeches. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Sunil. So here it ends the evaluation session. So I'd like to call the timer to please read the qualified evaluators name.